Close your eyes, find a comfortable position, and let your body become heavy. Disconnect from the timeline of your day. Disconnect from the space of the room you are in. Bring your attention to the center of your forehead, the screen of your mind. Right now, it is dark. It is empty. We are going to take a journey backward, from complexity to simplicity, from the many to the one. Breathe in deep and breathe out slowly. Do this a few times as you let yourself fall into the emptiness. In the darkness, lines of blue light begin to form around you. Watch them connect. They form a perfect cube. You are sitting at the very center of it. Count the edges with your mind. 4 lines above you, 4 lines below you. 4 pillars connecting them around you, 12 edges in total. Feel the stability of the cube. This is the number 6. It represents the material world, the earth, your physical body. It is a container, safe, solid, unmoving. Feel the weight of these walls. They protect you, but they also contain you. Breathe into the box. Acknowledge the structure of your reality. Now, look at the faces of the cube. Imagine drawing a diagonal line across each face. Connect the corners. See the geometry shifting. The heavy walls of the cube begin to dissolve, revealing a shape hidden inside it. A pyramid with a triangular base, the Tetrahedron. We have moved from the cube, which represents the outer limits of our perception, inward, in order to orient ourselves with the directionality of the Tetrahedron. Color shifts from the cool blue of observation to the fiery magenta of intent. This is the element of fire, not as destruction, but as intention. The structure inside you is where your mind brings forth intention. You are no longer just a passive observer within the cube. You are the dynamic tetrahedron of conscious intent nested within it. Feel the moment of choice igniting at your center. It is here, in the heat of this translation, that intention is born. The static walls of the cube do not vanish. Instead, they become the lattice system in which you define your path, your internal orientation. How you translate impulse into action determines which direction of the cube you face. You are the needle in the compass. Focus on the 6 edges that bind your perception to your action. Pivot the tetrahedron. Control your intention. As the tetrahedron spins around you, bring your attention to your own heart, the geometric center. We move from 6 to 7. chakras, the encapsulation of the body, and the mind that binds all perception together into coherent experience.